Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well, this video is going to be a little bit different to what I normally do, but this time we cannot travel out of Australia. There is no overseas trips allowed. So because I can't go to Hungary where I'm from, so I ordered some goods from Hungary. If you can't go there, at least you can bring some of the Hungarian stuff here. So finally I found a website where you can order some of the things what I used to like. Some of the things what I only had when I was a kid last time. So I haven't opened this box, it's just arrived. So I'm going to open it now and see what's in it, guys. It is a mix of a bit of everything. So some sweets, some chocolates, some alcohol, wine, etc. So let's see what's in there. Pack it up nice and tight. Maybe this way. Okay, so let's see. It seems like it's not broken, so that's probably a good thing. It's full of this packaging. Okay, so I ordered some hamburger cream, which is like a sauce for if you're making a homemade burger. Some plum jam, which is, it's actually a marmalade, but it's made out of real plums, and we use it in different sort of food. Some biscuits, which I had just when I was a kid last time. It's like a chocolate and vanilla biscuits with some cream inside. My lovely wife's gonna like this one. Oh, there it looks a bit smaller. The pork liver cream. It's not actually a pate. It's like just a cream. I had this last time when I was about 20 years old. It's interesting. It looks like the tin itself is shrunk a bit because it used to be like a little bit bigger than this. There's two of that. And then we have something for the children. It's like a honey linzer with chocolate. It's like a shortcut, like a biscuit. And then we've got a nice more thing here. This is just some flavoring for the soup. It's like a smoked flavoring for the soup. Give it a bit closer. You can make a nice goulash and stuff. And what else is here? We have some chocolates. They used to be 1 forint. People who don't know is a Hungarian currency. It used to be 1 forint when I was a kid. Now they're about 200 times that. They're more like $1. So I have, I think, about 10 of these, and they like chocolate and rum fudge flavor. And then we have some herbal tea. That's for my darling wife here. She will love it. And then there is another chocolate kind of wafers thing. This one is Balaton, Lake Balaton, named after Lake Balaton, which is the biggest lake in Hungary. And they like chocolate flavor as well. And more of the chocolates. There's lots of packaging here. I'll get this out first. chocolate, more packaging. Okay, more chocolate, same things. The two different ones. One is milk chocolate, the other one is dark chocolate. And then we have this one. This is if you have a sore throat. It's like a really traditional lollies, but it's like kind of medicated. It's good for sore throat. It tastes a little bit strong and a quite unusual taste actually, but the whole thing is when you unpack it, it's black. What else is here? Now we got talking. This one here, I also had it when I was a kid. It's like a raspberry syrup, and then you water it up with either fresh water or bubbly soda water, like and you almost like a soft drink after you finish. I only need to add a little bit like that, and I used to like it when I was a kid, so I thought I'd get one bottle and see if my children is going to drink it. If not, I'm certainly in for it. Okay, what else? This one. They like butter beans, which is almost impossible to purchase in Australia, so I got one of these in a jar and I can make some soup or something out of it, Hungarian style. And then we have some real Hungarian beer, which is one of the famous one in Hungary. This is a 500 ml can, and it costs about $4 if you buy it here through online. You cannot get them otherwise in here. I got a couple of that, 3 of that, and then there's more chocolates. I'm happy, I like chocolate. More chocolate. And now down to the last 2 items. Let's start with this one. This one is an original Hungarian palinka, which is a traditional alcoholic drink made out of fruits. This one is made out of plums, and it's like a distillated spirit, and it's very famous in Hungary and pretty much all over the world. Now this one is, as you see in the bottle, is 41 degrees alcohol, 41% alcohol, so it's quite strong, so you don't really want to drink too much of this at one time. And the last one is some Hungarian red wine. This is, so in Hungary, people don't really know that in Hungary they're producing lots of really nice quality wine, and this is one of the region from Eger, which is like in north of Hungary, but there are a lot of places that produces wine and they export it to all over the world. So that's it, empty box there. So yeah, I'm so happy that we have all this stuff available to us, even so if we cannot travel there, but at least we can enjoy some of the goods in here. And yeah, so thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.